topic of thermostable. I represent my team, formed by Zuleima, Juan, Luciel, and Fernando. Fine. Thermostable, you know, is a kind of polymer. But what is a polymer? Polymer is very easy. It's just a structure. It's a long, very long chains of monomers linked by a covalent bond. And how do you know? There are two principal ways of synthesis for the polymers. The first way is the addition. It's just how you can say it, addition of monomers in a series without waste. And the second form is the condensation. The condensation liberates generally water or alcohols like a waste. And I will explain some kinds of thermoplastic, principal kinds. And we have phenolics. Phenolics are formed by a polycondensation of phenols, and we can found in adhesives and coagulants. Next to the amines are formed by a polycondensation of phenylalanine and formalin. We can found in adhesives and cookware. Next, the polyester, formed by a polyesterification of polyacid and polyalcohols. And we can found in electrical molds and elements. Next, the epoxies are formed by phenyl propane and epichloride. And we can found in adhesives, electric molds, and paintings. The urethanes are formed by polycondensation of urea and formaldehyde. And we can find in fibrous forms and in solution. And finally, the silicones is a very usual material, and we can find in adhesives for the joints in the pickles for prevent leaks in the tips. Now I want to explain the general properties of thermoplastics. And referring to their structure, they have a rigid linear structure that form three-dimensional. That is due to the structure molecular of carbon, how you know is tetrahedral. And the mechanical, we know this is three ways of properties: mechanical properties, physical properties, and chemical properties, principally. Between there, we have thermosetting are a material hard and rigid, and they have a good insulation electric. And this material is very resistant to some factors like number one, hot or high temperatures. They were for the use the water. That's it. The water can across draw the surface or thermoplastic are impermeable. To the chemical substance and the electricity. And finally, we have some applications, some principal applications of thermoplastic in sector automation, electrical sector, and sector of construction. And finally, I can say that it is very important to know about every materials. In this case, the thermostable, like engineer, we must take decisions of our knowledge help us to choose a good election for material that we need in determined moments. What you can see is a very simple explain. Something somebody have questions or comments? Let's start.